At Access Garage Doors, we take pride in providing top-of-the-line work for all of your commercial and residential garage door needs. Our basic service includes sales, installation, service, and repairs. And our trained professionals strive to give you quality service to surpass all your expectations and are dedicated to doing a quality and complete job. All of our products include a 1-year warranty on labor and a 4-year warranty on parts. Call us today for a free estimate or click on the video for more information.